I'm back at it again. So it's been a while. I've been so busy trying to mow and clean up the place and everything, and so I'm back for another section of my canoe build. I've got a little bit done, but it's been slow going. But basically, here's the ribs I've got so far. I've been working on taking this rib out. Then unscrewing the screws, you know, and then we'll just put another rib inside and screw it on, and should be good. You got this and this little keel board. I should have replaced that, but it'll be all right. Okay, let me show you the bottom of this thing. It's not perfect. It's kind of got like a mechanical type shape to it. You know, it didn't come out real elegant and smooth, but it is what it is. So, and see, I screwed that. I'm gonna have to fill in with some plastic, and that rib showing through right there. I got it too hot there, and it kind of melted a little bit. I don't know if you can see that, how it's dented in. But here's some screw holes. I need to do a better job of grinding those off. There I did pretty good. But those will hold pretty good. Yep, that's about it. We'll show you a little bit on putting this rib in a little bit. First, I wanted to show you my jig again. I don't know how clear it was in the first video, but I line it with foil. You put your pipe in there and heat it, and that reflects the heat. It takes about half the time. And all that is just a 2-inch. It's a 2x4 I cut down to 2 inches exactly. I put some sides on it to kind of help guide it. Now I gotta, excuse the fingers, I got a board I lay in there. I heat that pipe up, clamp it down. It makes it nice and flat. So, okay, we'll get to work. Oh, and another thing I was thinking about doing is kind of cutting these ridiculous ends off here. You know, like maybe up like that, make it more of a streamline, because all that does is catches the wind. Blows you all over the pond. You know, I got a big pond out here. I've got another video of this. This is my cement pond. And roughly it's 32 feet wide, 52 feet long. You see the shallow part where I got plants in here. I got a bunch of cattails. Got a bunch of tadpoles swimming around in there right now. Right in the middle, it's 16 feet across the swimming area, you know, going straight across, and it's 11 feet deep in the deepest, so it's a pretty good swimming hole. Got a little fountain there. I don't have it on right now. Got a bunch of dock foam. I want to make rocks. The fountain's made out of a piece of dock foam, and yeah, I got to get some more brush cut and cleaned up a little bit, but when I get my canoe going, I don't have far to test it out. I don't know if you can see down in here, but I got these screws sticking up from the outside. This is the outside seam here. Get them off to where it's smooth. And you don't get your... You gotta be real careful or you'll scratch it up. It's kind of a trick getting it smoothed off. Now I need a pair of safety glasses too, so I better quit with this right now. Okay. Let me flip it up again. And these sheetrock screws, they've been in there 17 years. 17, 18 years when I built this canoe. And they're still good. Damn, a little bit rusty, but I'll put new ones in. But I don't think plain old sheetrock screws aren't going to be a problem. Clean up this old caulk, get it off. Some of them are a bit stuck. But whenever I put screws in, I really don't have a problem with water coming in. So they pretty much seal in this plastic. Okay, once in a while, the screws doesn't have anything to grip to, so I gotta give it a little nudge. It comes right out. Okay, now I got all this gunk in here, all this caulk and stuff. It's really hard. Now I gotta get all this out, get it cleaned up, and I'll be ready to put a rib in. Got the old one out, and it's a mess, so I'll spare you the details because it's just, you know, cleaning and scraping. So I'll get back with you in a minute. Helps to heat this stuff up. It's been raining off and on here all day. It's nice to have greenhouse to come in. You do your work when it rains. And rain, go away. Too damn wet to go out and play. My redneck putty knife. The paint striper is what I need. Okay. All right. Well, say, this will be about as exciting as watching paint dry. So whenever I get this scraped out and ready, I'll come back and get you. YouTube, I got you taped up to a post. That's my redneck tripod. The guys are all cleaned up, ready to go. The first thing to do is heat this up and get in there. And try to get that seam matched up back where it was. I don't know if I'll be able to do it. This is new to me too. Putting these ribs in. All these marks on the pipe, I think I can take a little acetone and take those off, so I'm not worried about that. Now I might find some good plastic paint. I'd like to paint it back up like a birch bark and stain these kind of a wood color. Start First, when I got in that end, I kind of scorched it a little bit. Sound's probably not too good in here. It's kind of windy today, so I'll try to speak up. Takes a little while to get it hot. I think it's actually quicker to bend wood ribs, but these won't rot. Some might get them, but another thing I like to do is work this rib all the way across before I cut it off. If you don't get it bent right first time, you know, heat it up and do it again. But you can't put it back when it's cut off. let's see what we got here. Get my screws. Get my gun. Kind of tricky part. Around that seam. Up a little bit there. I want to get something solid, and I'm going to put this 2x under there and try not to screw into it. It's hard to get it solid and not screw into something. I like to heat it up a little bit, and the screws sink right in. Nice and flush and tight. There. Looking pretty good. Fill the gap. I'm going to fill it with some plastic, hopefully. Here at the bottom, we're screwing right into that little keel bar.